Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean. Let's make some blasphemous comfort food spiced with mom jokes I'm calling grilled cheeses. Oh, hi. Alright, we're using that new contraption I got there, and basically this is my version of a tuna melt, but with chicken breast. And we're using this yogurt butter so you can pretend it's fucking healthy and shit, and onion, this fresh sourdough my good friend Jenny Zapp just dropped off. It's still warm, like a breast. Instead of pickles, I'm using hot sweet jalapenos, because fuck it. I mean, they're so good. Comfort food is manna from heaven. It's practically divine. I can hear angels singing. Oh, that's just my boob light humming. Alright, I put onion in mine because, I fucking like onion, duh. You know what else is like an onion? Your mom. No, wait, I meant to say your mind, but I'd peel your mom and make her cry that I'm not your dad. Maybe I am your dad, you don't know. Alright, this is getting weird, but speaking of your mom, onions are also deep. I mean, they have layers like the mind. The top layer, the onion skin of mind, is belief. Belief is a story we've decided is true just fucking cuz. I mean, it's fine. Religion can be a wonderful thing and can do great good in the world, but, as we know, has also done great harm. It's hard to get past that dry, papery layer of belief, but if you can, then you can start going deep into the layers of your reality and the mind, and maybe they're the same fucking thing. Also be careful or you'll lose a finger like I lost a finger. And your mom. What's that Catholic thing? Eat meat? No, eat my body, drink my blood. I can get down with that. Well, fuck, grilled cheeses. I forgot to talk about cheese. So what kind of cheese? Well, what kind do you got? That's what kind. Use it all. You only live once unless reincarnation is a thing, but fuck it. Let's talk about this fresh baked sourdough, because it's fucking heaven. And is there a place called heaven? Well, you gotta die to find that shit out, but you don't have to die to eat some of this shit right now, so figure it the fuck out. Look, whatever you do, don't try to cut fresh sourdough with a janky-ass dull knife. If you do, you'll fucking go to hell. Hell's a place without, sourdough, so don't be a dumbass. Look how this spreads, just like your mom. And also warm and yeasty. Okay, if there's a hell, I'm going, but fuck it. Anywho, just get it done. Use whatever fucking bread you want. I'm not the boss of you. Oh, and since we're already hellbound, say, dear, would you like to eat of my body? That's my body. Eat of my body. Eat my body. My body. Eat it. Eat my body. It's my body. Do you like eating me? She totally does. Not really. Alright, give me some of that body. So fucking good. Eat me. Check it out. I'm eating myself. Is your mom jealous? Look, if you can't handle religious jokes, you're already balls deep now. Like I was with your mom. I know. Alright. Well, speaking of your mom, this is not tuna, it's chicken breast. And, chickens like to have a cock around and... Alright, you know what? Just do what the fuck you want with that joke. I got other shit to do. Just make sure it involves your mom. And, I've got this juicy breast to deal with. I'm drinking it. I'm not fucking drinking that. Alright, you want to squeeze the breast until liquid comes out. It's called draining. Draining, it says. Don't make it weird. Nothing wrong with breastfeeding. I'm not too old, right? Then you want to get all up in that breast, all just, the same way you'd get up in some tuna. Do that. No, don't actually. Chicken breast requires some finesse. You got to work your way up in intensity. Don't just start mashing unless it's your... No, I wasn't going to say your mom. Quit being fucking gross. I was totally going to say your mom. Okay, money shot. No, wait. Mayonnaise shot. Mayonnaise. Oh, and speaking of your mom, hello there, pussy, cat. Oh, and look at that, just like your mom, getting after it. Beat it, will ya? I'll take care of my own damn self. Alright, let's just finish. Oh, yeah. Okay, I finished. Alright, fine, I'll say it. Disclaimer contains religious and mom jokes. Are you tweaking yet? Oh, hello. Oh, really? Uh-huh. I know what you want. You know how many mom jokes I'm passing up right now? Pussycat, chicken breast, licking and forking. Fine, go ahead. Well, I'm not going to do it. I feel that I've matured in the last 15 seconds and have risen above mom jokes. He has risen above mom jokes and shit. Yeah, no, I haven't. Alright, anyway, if you need more mayonnaise, just splooge it in there. Just make eye contact whilst you do. It's about connection, people. Oh, you again. Check it out. I'm surrounded by... Alright, here's the dill. Nothing wrong with dill pickles, but I like sweet pickles better, and I like sweet jalapenos better than sweet pickles, so this is what the fuck we're doing. And throw some onions all up in that bitch. You know what I was just thinking about? I was just thinking about your mom. Just kidding. I was thinking about the Lord. Just kidding. I was thinking about how this bread looks like your mom's butt. Oh, sounds like it too. I don't know why I do this. Alright, anyway, speaking of cutting the cheese, let's do that. And And my go-to for these is usually pepper jack slices and grated 4-cheese Mexican blend, but I didn't know I was going to do this fucking episode, so we got mozzarella instead. But like I said, whatever cheese you got works. Like I worked your mom. Okay, it's not fucking rocket science, just put it together. Cheese on the bottom, goo on that, and then grated shit on top. Boom. Alright, regarding the bread, you can spray it with olive oil, spread mayonnaise on it, or butter, because butter. Alright, then lube those buns up just like... I just can't do it anymore. Sure I can. Okay, spread those white plastic legs and discharge your oil all up in that hot box. And alright, well, I just got this thing. I've never used it before, and I found out that my shit's just too big for it, even all oiled up. What the fuck? This is like trying to stuff your mom. 10 pounds of shit into a 5-pound sack. It's just like a Penner grilled cheese maker or what? It's almost like that time I was with your mom having a very similar issue. Under that church pew. Anywho, if your big old buttery sandwich won't fit in the hot slot, you just gotta kind of work at it. You'll get there. That's how you were born. I was there. But if not, maybe you can get a facial instead. Ugh, I'm even grossing myself out. How the fuck do you guys put up with this shit anyway? Alright, well, I've been fucking praying this shit would come out alright, and oh my god, it doesn't fucking look right at all. Well, shit, there it is. It's not awful, but the holy of holy... No, I'm not talking about your mom. I'm talking about grilled cheeses was supposed to appear in this damn thing. Why the fuck hast thou forsaken me? Alright, well, take note. Advertising versus fucking reality. Look, grilled cheeses should have appeared. What the fuck? Was it the mom jokes? Mother Mary. Anyway, fuck it, I'll eat it. Cut the bread, the breast, and the holy cheeses. The delicious trinity. Does look god-awful, though. Alright, I'm gonna eat it, but watching me eat something like this is reserved for motherfuckers damned to hell, so you gotta wait. Alright, there it is. Grilled cheeses. Wah, wah. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe if I don't say crude shit, grilled cheeses will appear on French toast or some shit. So don't watch me eat, fuckers. Tastes good, though. Resurrect that shit. Oof, hellacious heartburn. Well, whether the universe awakens from emptiness and returns to emptiness, or was created by the big G up there judging motherfuckers, it amounts to the same. Can't be seen, can't be proven. The only difference is that one is cocooned by a narrative, one's not. But what's required for each is you being aware of them. Whatever it is must have a sense of humor, because what? What's that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, good point. How absurd and hilarious is it that for millions of years, hot gases congealed into stardust meat golems who woke up to do mom jokes and make fucking hot dogs in a jar, and that you can stare at a piece of glass while some motherfucker gets the right angle to ask you if you want to smell his hot dog water. Fuck it, I'm totally going to hell. See you fuckers there. Toodaloo.